In this quick tip, I'll show you how to turn an Excel tax tracker into a working Power App in just a few steps, with no complex setup needed. Here is our tax tracker in Excel. Notice how it's formatted as a table with headers because this is so essential for the Power App. To create the application from our Excel, let's start with Data. Select Excel Online. When you find your Excel, select Table, and I'll just use my task ID as the primary column and then create App. As you can see, our application has been created. And remember, we had 4 records, and these are the records that we're seeing here. You can go ahead and play the app, and I can go through the different records. As you can see here, James, this is a record for James. I can edit the record. I can delete the record. And all this is, we've just created the application from Excel. And whenever I'm creating new records, I'm editing, I'm deleting, the data source for our application here is that Excel sheet. Now, what's left for you is to just do the edits, renaming the components, moving stuff to place them wherever you want to place them, adding extra logic. But that's how easy it is to create an application from Excel. Thank you for watching.